Hello, this is Corey Horton, audio demo for 2014.
Your prophets have offered you freedom from a doomed existence, but you will find no salvation on this ring. The makers of this place knew what they wrought. Do not mistake their intent, or all will perish as they did before.
At the time, I didn't know any of this was going on because I was at camp. All the other campers were, goofing off and hanging out. Me? I was enjoying the summer sun while, going over my multiplication tables. That is, until it started to snow. In the middle of July! Totally freaky.
You thought you could get rid of me, didn't you? What a foolish endeavor. They tried to separate us once. I wouldn't allow it. I've always dreamed of being a hero. I've tried everything to become super. I let a spider bite me. No spider powers, just lots of itching. I tried standing too close to the microwave oven hoping the radiation would change me. Nothing. And I got in trouble for making so many bags of popcorn. But I took it all to school and had a popcorn party. I was a hero that day. So I guess it kind of worked.
Thank you very much for listening. My name is Corey Horton.